High school maths can feel overwhelming. Some ideas make sense, and some ideas seem like the teacher is speaking in another language. In this video, I'll detail two important keys that unlock the skill of multiplying fractions so that it is easier for you to learn. In order to explain the first key, I need to introduce you to a garden bed with flowers. What fraction of flowers make up the entire garden bed? Yes, 4/5. Now, unfortunately, there was a storm and only one half of the garden bed survived. If we wanted to work out exactly how many flowers are left as a fraction, we will need to multiply 4/5 by 1/2. Would our answer be greater than 1 or less than 1? Yes, less than 1. Since we started with 4/5, which is less than 1, then we will halving this amount. Now, to answer the question, 4/5 times 1/2, the diagram helps, since we can see the fraction remaining. The garden bed is now broken up into tenths, and there are 4 sections left of flowers, giving us an answer 4/10. Now, how can we do this without drawing the diagram? Looking at our starting question, and now our answer, how do we go straight to the answer without drawing the diagrams? We could simply multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. In fact, if you tried multiplying different fractions, solving them firstly with the diagram method, it will confirm the same rules. If this video has been valuable, please hit the like button so it has a better chance to spread to more people. Now that you can multiply fractions, how do you multiply a whole number and a fraction? This brings us to the second important key. Imagine a similar scenario where you had one garden bed that is filled with 3/4 of flowers. You love the look and you wanted to triple the number of garden beds in this format. This is 3 times 3/4. We can see from the diagram we'll have a value clearly greater than 1. Now, to represent the flower region as a fraction, we use the diagram. Each garden bed is broken up into quarters. The numerator represents how many sections are flowers, which is 9, giving us an answer 9/4. And as a mixed numeral, 2 and 1/4. Now, looking at our starting question, and now our answer, how do we go straight to the answer without drawing the diagrams? We simply multiply the whole number by only the numerator. The denominator remains the same. Guess what? Another way to get to our answer is treating 3 as a fraction over 1. We can do this since it still represents the same value. Since 1 goes into 3 times. Then we follow the same steps when we multiply 2 fractions, getting the same answer. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.